Sausages. Just the mention of them might make your taste buds tingle. These savory treats have captured the hearts and appetites of people all over the world. Whether grilled to perfection, fried to a golden crisp, or nestled in a soft, warm bun, sausages have become a universal symbol of comfort food. But have you ever wondered about the journey these humble delicacies take before they reach your plate? Today, we'll take you on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of a sausage processing plant where simple ingredients transform into a global delicacy loved by millions. But before we begin, don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel. If you're curious about the craftsmanship, science, and passion behind your favorite foods, you won't want to miss out on the fascinating stories we share. The journey of a sausage starts with the basics: fresh, clean meat. Each piece of meat is carefully selected and inspected to ensure it's free of bones and impurities. This attention to detail is crucial, as even the smallest bone fragment could disrupt the delicate processing machinery. Once the meat passes inspection, it's fed into large grinders. These powerful machines work step by step, breaking the meat down into a fine, lump-free consistency, creating the perfect base for the sausages to come. But there's more to the texture of sausages than freshly ground meat. A mix of fresh and frozen meat is combined to create the signature smoothness and bite we all know and love. Why use frozen meat, you ask? It's not just about practicality. Freezing meat at ultra-low temperatures helps eliminate harmful bacteria and parasites, ensuring the sausages are not only delicious, but also safe to eat. The freezing process also helps stabilize the texture, giving sausages their buttery, melt-in-your-mouth quality. Of course, what's a sausage without flavor? This is where the magic happens. A precise blend of herbs, spices, and seasonings is added to the meat mixture. The recipes vary depending on the type of sausage being made. Some are spiced with a fiery kick of pepper, others are sweetened with aromatic herbs, and some are mild enough for even the pickiest eaters. To maintain a balanced texture and flavor, ice is added during this stage. This helps keep the mixture cool, ensuring that the flavors blend evenly and the texture remains consistent throughout the batch. But we're not done yet. For that extra smooth and creamy consistency, eggs come into play, specifically egg yolks. Large quantities of yolks are carefully cracked and separated using advanced machinery. These machines ensure no shell fragments make their way into the mixture. The yolks are whisked to perfection before being blended into the meat mixture, creating a rich and velvety texture that elevates every bite. Once the mixture is perfectly blended, it's time for the next step: casing. Natural casings are used to achieve the traditional sausage shape and texture. These casings are soaked in cool water for several hours to remove any residual salt and prepare them for the filling process. After they're fully hydrated and pliable, the casings are gently filled with the meat mixture. The result? Perfectly shaped sausages that glisten with a glossy finish, ready to be cooked, grilled, or smoked. Enjoying this look into the world of sausage making? Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more incredible behind-the-scenes content about your favorite foods. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about one of the most important stages in sausage making: smoking. This step isn't just about adding flavor, it's also a clever way to preserve the sausages naturally. When the sausages are smoked, they're exposed to compounds in the smoke that help prevent spoilage and bacterial growth. This means the sausages last longer without the need for artificial preservatives. The sausages are carefully hung on hooks or rods in a way that allows air to circulate evenly around each one. This ensures they're smoked consistently, creating that mouth-watering smoky aroma and flavor. After smoking, the sausages are moved to a curing stage. Here, they're left to rest in controlled conditions, where their flavors deepen, their textures improve, and their colors develop beautifully. Once the curing process is complete, the sausages undergo a rigorous inspection to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. They're then packaged with care, preserving their freshness and flavor until they reach your table. Picture this: a steaming hot sausage nestled in a soft bun, topped with mustard, onions, or maybe even a drizzle of melted cheese. Isn't your mouth watering already? The next time you enjoy a bite of sausage, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into making each one. From selecting the freshest ingredients to perfecting the final touches, every step is designed to deliver an unforgettable experience. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel. If you're a foodie who loves exploring the stories behind your favorite dishes, we've got plenty more coming your way. Let us know in the comments how you like your sausages: grilled, fried, smoked, or even in a hearty stew. And if you know someone who's as obsessed with sausages as we are, share this video with them. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. We'll see you in the next video. The quality of butter starts with the mood and well-being of dairy cows. Just like humans, when cows are happy, relaxed, and comfortable, they produce milk with superior flavor and nutritional value. Conversely, stressed, scared, or sad, cows release cortisol, a hormone that reduces milk production and can even alter its taste. To ensure the cows are happy, they live in clean, spacious environments and are fed fresh, nutrient-rich elephant grass from nearby fields. This fiber-rich grass not only enhances milk quality, particularly its fat content and flavor, but also maintains the cow's digestive health. Advanced technology also plays a crucial role. Cows wear smart collars to monitor their health, diet, and daily activities. This data is sent directly to the farm management system, allowing farmers to quickly address any health concerns. Collecting and testing the milk. The journey of making butter begins with milk collection. Each cow enters an automated stall equipped with soft rubber cups that gently and comfortably extract the milk. Cleanliness is paramount during and after this process, with all equipment and contact areas thoroughly cleaned. After collection, the milk is transported in refrigerated trucks to the processing plant within 24 hours. At the plant, it undergoes rigorous testing to detect contaminants, bacteria, and measure fat and protein content, ensuring it meets strict hygiene standards. Only milk that passes these tests is stored in large tanks designed to maintain quality before processing. Turning milk into butter, a sophisticated and delicate process. The butter-making process starts with preparing the milk to ensure maximum safety and quality. The first step is pasteurization using ultra-high temperature (UHT) technology, a modern method that eliminates harmful bacteria without significantly altering the milk's nutritional composition. During this step, the milk is rapidly heated to 280 to 285 degrees Fahrenheit, about 138 to 140 degrees Celsius, for just 2 to 4 seconds, an ideal duration to kill most bacteria, molds, and other pathogens. The milk is then quickly cooled to approximately 39 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius to prevent external bacterial contamination, maintaining freshness and safety for the next steps. Centrifugation follows, where the milk is spun at high speeds, 500 revolutions per minute, for about 10 minutes. The centrifugal force separates the milk into two main components: cream, containing butterfat, and skim milk. The cream obtained from this process is the core ingredient for butter production, thanks to its uniform fat content, which creates the rich flavor and smooth texture essential to high-quality butter. The cream is then processed and refined through several stages. First, it is pasteurized again to ensure no remaining bacteria can affect quality. Next, the cream undergoes natural fermentation or is inoculated with lactic acid bacteria. This process enhances flavor and adjusts acidity, creating the distinctive taste of each butter type. Depending on production requirements, the cream's fat content can be adjusted by adding or removing small amounts of skim milk. One of the most critical steps is the continuous churning process. This step brings together the fat molecules in the cream through constant movement of the churning machines. Butter grains gradually form during this process, resulting in the characteristic smooth texture. Each layer of butter is evenly mixed thanks to the precise rhythmic motions of specialized equipment. This process not only ensures the butter has a silky consistency, but also delivers its irresistible flavor, making every batch of high-quality butter stand out. Finally, once it reaches the desired smoothness, the finished butter is shaped. It can be formed into various shapes, from large blocks, squares, and rectangles to small cones, depending on production needs and customer preferences. Every step is executed with high precision to ensure the final product not only tastes delicious, but also retains optimal freshness and nutritional value. Did you know that butter was once considered a luxury item in medieval Europe, reserved for nobility and even used as currency? Today, butter production combines tradition and innovation to meet diverse demands. After processing, butter is packaged into 44-pound blocks or smaller portions as required. Packaging options include aluminum foil, wax paper, and plastic tubs, which preserve freshness and protect butter from light, air, and moisture. Artisanal butter and unique flavors. For those seeking something extraordinary, artisanal butter like Jean-Yves Bourdier from France offers unique flavors crafted using traditional methods. Popular varieties include seaweed butter, smoked salt butter, and vanilla butter. Each recipe a masterpiece tailored to customer preferences. If you found the butter making process captivating, don't miss the chance to explore more. Subscribe to our channel now and turn on notifications to stay updated on the secrets of food production. The final steps. Before reaching your table, butter is shaped and packaged to ensure a silky texture and perfect portions. Whether it's formed into blocks, rectangles, or cones, every step is designed to deliver the most delightful flavors to consumers. The journey of butter, from happy cows to your table, is as rich and smooth as the product itself. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating process, subscribe today and join us to discover more incredible stories about the foods we enjoy. The journey begins with the sesame seed bun, one of the key ingredients in a McDonald's hamburger. The process starts with a large industrial mixer where basic ingredients like flour, water, liquid yeast, and salt are combined to form a dough with a sponge-like texture. But this is not just any regular dough. McDonald's adds an enzyme called protease to break down proteins, creating the soft and airy texture that the buns are known for. This enzyme helps create the perfect foundation for the burger. After the dough is mixed, it is transferred to a high-capacity kneader, where it is kneaded to a smooth, elastic consistency. This step is crucial to prepare the dough for the fermentation process. Next, the dough is moved to a fermentation room, where it rests for about 4 hours. During this time, the yeast ferments the sugars in the dough, helping to enhance the flavor and texture. After fermentation, the dough is mixed again, but this time with additional ingredients like sugar, salt, extra yeast, vitamin C, and sodium diacetate, a preservative commonly used in wine and fruit. You might be surprised to learn that McDonald's buns contain less than 5% sugar, a relatively low ratio compared to typical baked goods. Once everything is evenly mixed, the dough is kneaded again to ensure the added ingredients are well distributed. The dough is then transferred to a dough shaping machine, where it is divided into small portions and shaped into the familiar round buns. When the dough moves through the shaping machine, it is cut and formed into perfect round dough balls. These dough balls are then dusted with a light coating of flour to prevent sticking and help maintain their shape. This might seem like a simple step, but it's important to ensure that every bun that comes out of the oven has a perfect shape and is evenly baked. Before baking, the dough balls are proofed for a short period to relax and stabilize. This ensures that the buns will rise evenly during baking and have the perfect texture. The dough is then placed into baking pans, and a pan stacking machine arranges them precisely. Before baking, the dough is coated with a protein glaze to give the buns their signature shiny look and enhance their flavor and texture. Sesame seeds are added next, with a sesame seed sprayer distributing them evenly onto each bun. Finally, the buns are baked at a high temperature for 8 to 9 minutes at 240 degrees Celsius. After baking, the buns are removed from the pans using a vacuum system, which helps prevent any damage. The buns are then transferred to a spiral cooling system to cool evenly and preserve their freshness. After cooling, the buns are quickly sliced and packaged to keep them fresh for transport to McDonald's restaurants. To avoid crushing during transport, the buns are placed onto special racks designed to protect their shape and texture. These racks are then loaded onto trucks for shipment to McDonald's restaurants worldwide. Now, let's talk about the beef patty. Contrary to popular belief, the beef patties used in McDonald's hamburgers are made from 100% USDA-inspected beef, with no fillers or additives. The beef is sourced from farms across the country, and it is carefully selected to ensure an optimal fat ratio of 20% fat and 80% lean meat. The beef arrives in large 2,000-pound boxes and undergoes strict quality checks within 48 hours to ensure freshness. The meat is chilled with CO2 to reach an ideal temperature of 29 degrees Fahrenheit before being ground. After grinding, the beef is mixed and then formed into patties of varying sizes, depending on the type of burger, whether it's a regular hamburger, Big Mac, or quarter pounder. The patties are quickly frozen to around 32 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve their freshness. Once frozen, the patties go through various rounds of quality checks, including metal detection and visual inspection. After passing these checks, the patties are packaged and sent to McDonald's kitchens. At the restaurant, the beef patties are grilled using a special clamshell grill that cooks both sides simultaneously. The grill ensures the patties are cooked quickly, taking about 40 seconds. They are then seasoned with salt and pepper to achieve McDonald's signature taste. Finally, the McDonald's hamburger is assembled with fresh vegetables, condiments, and of course McDonald's special sauce. And just like that, you have a complete hamburger from the factory to your plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos about how famous foods are made. And while you're here, check out our video on how Coca-Cola is made, full of fascinating details you won't want to miss. Sourcing high-quality ingredients. Spam begins with its main ingredient, pork. Specifically, pork shoulder is selected for its tender texture and rich flavor, while ham adds a distinct taste to the product. Hormel Foods, the company behind Spam, partners with trusted suppliers who adhere to strict standards for quality and safety. These suppliers ensure humane farming practices, avoid unnecessary antibiotics, and deliver fresh, hormone-free meat. When the pork and ham arrive at the factory, they undergo thorough inspections to meet high standards for freshness, texture, and fat content. Only the best cuts of meat are used in production, ensuring the quality that Spam is renowned for. Cleaning and grinding the meat. After passing inspection, the meat is cleaned and trimmed to remove excess fat and connective tissue. This step is carried out by skilled workers or advanced machinery to ensure precision and efficiency. The cleaned meat is then finely ground using industrial grinders, creating the smooth, uniform texture characteristic of Spam. These grinders can process hundreds of kilograms of meat per hour, meeting the high demand for this iconic product. Mixing the ingredients. The ground pork and ham are transferred into large industrial mixers, where they are combined with Spam's signature ingredients: salt, sugar, water, potato starch, and sodium nitrite. Salt enhances the flavor and acts as a preservative. Sugar balances the saltiness with a hint of sweetness. Sodium nitrite preserves the pink color of the meat and prevents bacterial growth. Potato starch binds the mixture, creating a cohesive texture. Water ensures the mixture is moist and easy to process. The mixers evenly distribute these ingredients, ensuring every batch has consistent flavor and texture. Canning and cooking. After being thoroughly mixed, the meat mixture is portioned into cans using automated filling machines. Each can is sealed airtight to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Once sealed, the cans are placed into massive pressure cookers for the retort cooking process, which sterilizes the product and ensures it is fully cooked and safe to consume. This process not only guarantees the product is fully cooked, but also locks in the signature flavor and texture of Spam. The cooking time and temperature are carefully controlled to maintain consistent quality across every batch. These pressure cookers can process tens of thousands of cans at a time, demonstrating the efficiency of Spam's production process. If you're enjoying this story about how Spam is made, don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel to discover more fascinating stories about iconic products. Quality control and packaging. After cooking, the cans are cooled and undergo rigorous quality control checks. Inspectors examine each can for signs of damage, such as dents or leaks, that could compromise the product's quality. Random samples from each batch are tested for flavor, texture, and appearance to ensure they meet Spam's high standards. Once approved, the cans are labeled and packaged into boxes or trays using high-speed machinery. The packaging provides important information, such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates, ensuring transparency for consumers. Global distribution. The packaged Spam is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being distributed globally. Since Spam is shelf-stable, refrigeration is unnecessary, making storage and transportation much simpler. From local supermarkets to convenience stores, Spam is readily available in countless dishes worldwide. Why Spam endures? Spam's production process combines traditional methods with modern technology, ensuring the product retains its signature flavor while meeting the demands of today's fast-paced production environments. From sourcing high-quality ingredients to precise mixing, canning, and cooking, every step is meticulously designed to create a product that has stood the test of time. Whether enjoyed in a classic Spam musubi as part of a hearty breakfast or eaten straight from the can, Spam continues to provide convenience, flavor, and nostalgia in every bite. Have you ever tried Spam? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on more fascinating stories. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and Happy New Year. As we wrap up this video, I just want to wish you a year filled with happiness, success, and endless possibilities. Whatever your dreams may be, let this be the year you chase them fearlessly and make them a reality. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Your support means everything. Here's to a brighter, better, and more exciting year ahead. Until next time, take care, stay amazing, and happy 2025.